Jason? What is that you have? Oh, that's your sword. That's your pirate sword. Ta-da! Norton, you gonna play cards? That's the best I can do. I have to get some glue to fix it, honey. I have to get some glue to fix it.
Hey, you guys, remember how we ran the other night?
Dang, it really is raining. It is really raining. So Charlie said, I'll take care of it, Joey. And he went and got the hairbrush from that dress and went and tried to open the door, and only would open that far. Savannah had gone in there and pulled out the bathroom drawer in the cabinet so that it was blocking the door opening. And when he did that, she goes, ha 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 ha. How did they get around? He talked her into closing the drawer so he could get the door open. She'd done that before, but she always locked the doorknob. But she knew that her daddy knew how to open that. How smart is that? Pretty cute, huh? Zionsville is the green uniform.
Little boy in a baseball hat stands in the field with his ball and bat. Says, I am the greatest player of them all. Puts his bat on his shoulder and he tosses up the ball. The ball goes up, the ball comes down, swings his bat all the way around. The world's so still you can hear the sound. The baseball falls to the ground. Now the little boy doesn't say a word, picks up his ball, he is undeterred. Says, I am the greatest there has ever been. He grits his teeth and he tries it again. The ball goes up, the ball comes down, swings his bat all the way around. The world's so still you can hear the sound. The baseball falls
Oh, Coach, don't stand
the
right
ground.
there. Coach.
He makes no excuses, he shows no fear. He just closes his eyes and listens to the cheers. Little boy, he adjusts his head, picks up his ball, stares at his bat. Says I am the greatest. The game is on the line, and he gives his all one last time. And the ball goes up like the moon so bright, swings his bat with all his might. And the world's as still can be when the baseball falls. And that's strike three. Now it's supper time, and his mama calls. Little boy starts home with his bat and ball. Says I am the greatest, that is a fact. But even I didn't know I could pitch like that. Says I am the greatest, that is understood. But even I didn't know I could pitch that good.